Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. You've clicked on this link because you want to know how to access eCampus and then also how to navigate once you're there. So first and foremost, we should be in Clever. Clever can be accessed either through the South Seminole Academy website or the SCPS website has a link directly to it. First and foremost, I've favorited a few of the things that I utilize on a daily basis. And that you guys will also be utilizing. So some of the things that I would favorite is Office 365, which is your email, Skyward, where you can see all your grades, eCampus, where the course is going to be held, Google Drive, where I put a lot of things and I save a lot of things on Google Drive and share it to you guys that way as well. USA Test Prep, I'll explain that's how we're going to do some of our formative assessments. And then also Webex. So Webex is something else that if you're a Seminole Connect student, you're going to be accessing and meeting me on a daily basis or on a class basis. So let's get to the nuts and bolts of this video. We're going to click on the eCampus tile. And now, once again, if you didn't have that favorited, you would just go to the search bar and type in eCampus. And then it would bring you to your eCampus dashboard. Now, there might be a message here or something. If you X through it, this is what's going to show. It's going to show all the published courses that you are a part of. Now, for this video, I'm just going to show the civics one, but whether you're in my American history class or the We the People class, it's going to be the same directions no matter what. But for argument's sake, I will just show you pre-IB civics and how to navigate that course. But like I said, that will be the same in the other courses. We'll click the tile, and then we're going to see what pops up. So you will get a home screen, and in that home screen, you're going to have a functioning little image here that's going to have a bunch of different little things for you to navigate. So the very first thing, if you are Seminole Connect, this button right here is going to be your best friend, the Webex. Once you click on this button, it's going to open the Webex directly to my personal room that you're going to log into every single class period by the time that it says on the schedule. This little button over here, the little TV, is going to be video tutorials. So tutorial like this, or the welcome video that I previously did, or anything that involves accessing things in eCampus or doing things using technology. I'm going to try to create a video, whether it's myself or Miss Miranda or Mr. Heiss. I will put video tutorials in there for you so that you can kind of follow along in how to do it. If you ever need to contact me, you can click on the contact me link, and that's going to bring you to a page that's just going to give you the best ways to contact me. Hint, it's going to be either email or phone number, and that's there for you. Just like I say here, just give me 24 hours to respond back. I'm usually within the hour, but if you email me Friday night at 9 p.m., don't expect me to turn around at 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I'll get to you hopefully within that 24-hour window. So let's go back to our home button. And now yours is going to have a little bit less. So just the ones that are up here, the ones with the little eyes with the slashes through them, you won't see them. To give you your student view, it's actually going to look a little like this. So you're only going to have these options on the side. And that's not to overwhelm you, but just to kind of show you what you need. Syllabus we'll talk about during the first week. Any announcements? I know I sent an announcement Sunday afternoon, just welcoming everyone. I know there have been additions and subtractions to my class roster, so I tried to send another email and send another announcement out to kind of give everyone some information. Grades, modules, Google Drive, Nearpod, Skyward, and Office 365. So our main one that we're going to utilize is going to be modules. So you can actually access modules or today's lesson. Today's lesson will typically bring you to that day's lesson, but it's essentially going to bring you to that part of that module. So let's look at this. If you click on today's lesson, it's going to bring you to Jumpstart. So our first day, first lesson is going to be week 1, August 17th, and it's actually going to unlock on August 17th at 8 a.m. So you'll be able to access it then, but it is published there for you, and all of your other information will be there as well. So that's how you access and navigate through eCampus for my class.